3 sets of 15. What does that mean? This is something I get asked a lot. What does sets and reps mean? So repetitions is simply anytime you do an exercise or movement, it's literally counting the movement one time. So let's just use a simple example. I'm going to do some index finger curls. This isn't a legit exercise, but yeah, there's muscle here working. So me doing one index finger curl, that's 1 rep. Okay? 2 reps, 3 reps, 4 reps. Let's say we're doing 3 sets of 5 reps of index finger curls. Enter any exercise in, but 3 sets of 5. So we're going to do that right now. 1 rep, 2 rep, 3 reps, 4 reps, 5 reps. Okay? That's the end of your first set. A set is simply how much you do of repetitions before you rest and then do the next set. So I would maybe, let's just say hypothetically, I rested 30 seconds. I can now do my second set of 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you plug this in to 3 sets of 15 reps, it's the same concept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 14, 15, done with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 14, 15, done with 2, etc., all the way up to 3. That's it. And the nomenclature you'll see is usually reps will be first and sets will be second. So on a program, it'll literally say 3 times 15 or 3 by 15. Those are usually 2 common ways you'll see it. Or it'll say 3 reps of, 3 sets of 15 reps. Oh my gosh, I was just blanking there. So yeah, a few different ways you'll see it, and it's really that simple. Hopefully that answered it. I feel like I answered it well enough, but I don't know. If you have questions on this, comment down below. Oh, one other thing you can think about this. No, don't comment down below yet. Comment this. Another way you can think about this is how many total repetitions am I doing? So you can multiply these 2 numbers together. 3 times 15 means you are doing 45 total repetitions during your set. So literally the 15 reps, that's 1 bundle. 15 reps is another bundle. 15 reps is another bundle. Lump them all together, 45 total reps of that exercise. Another way to think about it.